Starting a vending machine business can be a struggle for a lot of people since the hardest part is finding a location for your machine. And there's many ways to find locations like going door to door, calling businesses, emailing them, or the easiest way is simply buying routes with machines already on location, which is actually how I got started. So today I want to show you guys exactly how I recently bought 4 machines at a USPS location for $20,000. Post office are by far one of the hardest locations to get into since it is a government building. You normally have to bid against other vendors just to get the contract to be able to put your machines inside. But first, it's been 2 weeks since I got this location, so let's go over there, fill up the machines, collect the money, see how it did, and then we'll come back and talk about all the numbers. Hope you guys enjoy. If y'all do, go down below, subscribe, and let's go check out this $20,000 location. Alright guys, we made it to the USPS location. The building is right behind me. I can probably see some of their work trucks over there. We did also load up all the snacks and drinks already. So we have all the drinks in these 2 giant crates. We got some snacks in here and then all the extra stuff that we couldn't fit. But yeah, you ready to go inside?
Let's go.
Are you down to steal some packages or no?
No, you trying to go to jail?
Okay, never mind. We made it inside. We're in the break room right now. Y'all can see the 2 brand new vending machines that I bought are right behind me. There was 4 older machines here before. We did take out 3, but we didn't have enough space to take out this last one over here. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel bad because we got this location 2 weeks ago. So this machine has been sitting here empty for the last 2 weeks. So it's about time we take it out. Actually, I think the last owner tried putting some food in the machine and it didn't really work out.
I think he put like ramen noodles and like Capri Sun.
Yeah, it was like ramen noodle cups. It wasn't anything good. So if we bring in a frozen machine, put some pizza, burritos, ice cream, it would do hella good, especially that summer's coming up. For the drink machine, you guys already know it's the nice glass front, which we use for every single location now. And for the snack machine, you might recognize it because it is the one we had at the warehouse with the nice touchscreen display on it.
Wait a minute. Look, the bill acceptor's off. I don't think it's working.
Wait, let me test it and see if it works.
Even if it did, it wouldn't be taking that crusty ass dollar.
Quick tip, if your bill acceptor is not working, if you open up the machine, you can see these blinking red lights. Just count the lights. So 1. Oh. Okay, wait, let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the back of here, it should tell you what's wrong. What is it? Cross channel block? What does that mean?
I don't know.
There's nothing there. Anyways, the machines are looking pretty empty, so now it's time to fill them up. Alright guys, so we just finished filling up the drink machine. It's all filled up. It looks nice. If you guys remember when I first showed it, it was almost empty. It wasn't too empty, but it was still pretty low. The snack machine, on the other hand though, was very slow. It's been 2 weeks and it looks like only the chips sold. Cause check this out. Bruh, look at this. So it does look like nothing sold, but we did actually fill it up to the very back. So I mean, some items did sell, just not a whole lot.
At this rate, everything's gonna get expired.
Also, at the same time, it is a new location for us, so we still have to play around and see what they like and what they don't like. Wait, did the Cheez-Its even sold?
Yeah, 1.
1 Cheez-It sold. We're for sure gonna be taking these out. Anyways, it's getting late. They close in about 30 minutes and we still have to take out the combo machine on the corner over there. So let's hurry up, fill up the snack machine, and we'll head out of here.
She got all the drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, pleading all the fights. Wanna take a walk on the other side. Feeling really fly on her feet tonight. Got her something good, now she Jesus Christ. Creeping up on her like she way too high. I'm about to take a walk on the other side. If the people at the party look away, if peace, you're the cover of the scene. doesn't really matter what you do. She gon' have to get herself up off her knees.
Time to collect the money, starting off with the snack machine. Of course, this one is gonna have a lot more bills than the drink one since the bill acceptor over there wasn't working. And boom, look at that. Our first ever collection from this location. 2 weeks worth of cash. There's a lot of fives too. All right, for the drink machine, this is the old bill acceptor. We already took it out and put a new one in. So this is the old one. Open it up and let's see how much cash we got. Is it too light?
No.
Oh, there's actually some bills in there. I'm surprised. It was probably working for the first couple days, right? Yeah,
So
look at that.
Does this mean I get to keep this stack?
If you complain about that, you're a gold digger. Yeah, that's what I thought. I've been I've been expecting y'all. Okay, now you guys might be wondering exactly how did I spend $20,000 on one location, but first let's talk about how I actually got it. Well, basically 1 month ago, one of you guys actually sent me a message on Instagram and it was a link to the listing of a guy selling the location. So I hit up the guy and I'm like, hey, I'm interested. At first I had no idea it was a post office, but I did ask him all the basic questions like how much money is it making, and he told me it was making $1,000 every single month. The first red flag was that he didn't have credit card readers on the machines, so there was no proof of sales. Now of course there's never just one red flag, so the second one was whenever I asked him how long has he had this location for, and he said 2 months. Why would somebody be selling a location this good making $1,000 a month when they just got it 2 months ago? But he basically said he was getting out of the business, and again I took his word for it. I should title this video what not to do when buying a location, right?
You did everything that you shouldn't
Exactly.
do.
Later on, he then told me it was a post office, so I was like, okay, I for sure want it, I'm interested. And he didn't want to give me a price first because he was taking offers, so I offered him $8,000 at first. Which is why you never want to give the first price, because he then told me that was too low if I could give him $9,000, so I was like, okay, whatever, $9,000 is cool. The 4 machines he had inside were a bit older, they were outdated, they looked dirty, they couldn't take credit card readers, so I took those machines out and I bought brand new ones. The drink machine, I bought it locally for $3,500, and the snack machine, I got it from vending.com for $5,000, which for those 2 machines alone is so far $8,500. So now after spending $9,000 on the location, $8,500 on the 2 new machines, I did also spend $500 on product to fill up the machines, and another $800 on the credit card readers for the 2 machines.
It's expensive.
That is pretty expensive. So far the grand total is $18,800, and then the rest of it is paying for delivery fees, to move the other machines out, bring the new ones in, and also to pay my girlfriend because she is on payroll. And that right there is how I spent $20,000 on one location. There we go. In cash alone, we have $130. In credit card sales, we have $586, which brings us to a grand total of $716 for 2 weeks. What do you think?
That's actually a lot.
That's pretty good. Anything over $1,000 a month is considered a great location, so I'm pretty happy.
So then how long is it gonna take you to get your money back?
So technically it would take 14 months to get my money back, but of course it's not all profit, so it's gonna take a little bit longer than that. But remember, I can still sell all the machines I took out to hopefully bring down my cost a little bit more.
As a reminder, I told you no. Te vas a ensuciar, first off. I already know they're dirty up there. Hi, baby. I know. Bájate, 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 bájate.
It's okay, baby girl.
It's okay, no one has to know, baby girl.
I just made it back to the vending machine headquarters, and right under me are the 4 vending machines I took out from the USPS location when I first bought it. I might actually just keep this machine for myself. It's old, I can't even put a credit card reader on it, so I can't even sell it. I won't get much for it. I feel like this is the one that they be using like in movies or shows, right? Like in the background, like that old machine. Hopefully I can at least get maybe $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 for those 3 machines. So I will be posting them on Facebook in the next couple days, and hopefully I can sell them. Or if you live in Dallas and you want to buy them off of me, hit me up on Instagram and help me take these machines off my hands.
You're not even holding them.
Alright guys, I'm here with my friend Jordan. What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
We filmed a video for his channel, so make sure you go watch it. It should be out by the time this video comes out, but he's about to leave. Before you do, I want you to try the Barefoot Oreo wine. I know you say you like wine.
You know what? It actually looks okay. It looks pretty good. I mean, I've drank this brand before. I like Oreos. Let's give it a try.
Guess how much I paid for this bottle?
$10?
800.
Bruh.
800.
800 Oreos?
Well, no.
This is the most expensive wine I've ever drank.
Hey, there we go. There we go. Take a good sip.
Ooh,
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
disgusting, huh?
No, I liked it. I liked it.
Yeah, it's good.
You don't like it?
I don't
That
know,
could be
bro.
it.
I don't know. I don't like it.
Does it-
But thank you.
Does it taste like Oreo though?
No.
Anyways, that's it. Again, thanks for coming.
No doubt, bro.
It was a pleasure.
Sorry to diss on your Oreo wine.
I don't care. I'm not the CEO of Oreo, but it's cool.